Good afternoon, El Paso Gridley Band students. It's Mr. J bringing you your weekly band announcements for next week, which is February 8th through February 12th, the 6th week of third quarter. All right, my contact is always on the front page. Boom shaka. Let's hit up the junior high stuff. All right, next Friday is a chorus day, and 7th graders do have lessons, so make sure 7th graders you have your instruments for Monday, and Monday will be a flute and violin lesson during 4A, or 4th hour. Yeah, that's right. So make sure you have your instrument. 5th graders, next week will be your last week of bells only. We'll start doing bass drum, snare drum, suspended cymbal, tambourine, the extra instruments where we're starting to add some of the things together and playing more like a percussion section rather than just one type of instrument at a time. Still waiting for information about combo from the junior high stuff. We do have some sheet music, and I will be sharing that out with kids who have said that they're interested, but I don't have rehearsal times or anything like that, so I'll share that information when I get it. I'll probably share it via Remind and via email, so if you're not signed up for Remind, please do that. If you're interested, make sure that you sign up in the links below. Same thing goes for jazz band. Make sure that you are practicing at home when you don't have band during school. So chorus kids, on days that you don't have band, just take your instrument home and play for 10 or 15 minutes. No big deal. Find some music that you like to play and play it. Here's the schedule for if you are quarantined at home and want to Zoom in with us. It's a great way to break up your day and to stay connected with your friends. Here's the times. 5th grade is at 11:27, basically 11:30. 6th grade is at 11:56, basically noon. 7th grade, you're basically at 1:30. 8th grade, you are at 1:30. So if you are quarantined and want to hop in with us, there's your times. High school kids, next Friday is a chorus day. Tonight there is pep band. The call time is 6 o'clock, so be there or be square. Wear some Titan gear. I've got some purple on right now. Dress warmly in layers so that when we get into the gym, you can take off some layers and not overheat there. Make sure that you grab a bite to eat also before those pep band games so that you are not starving halfway through, especially since there's no concessions. Again, if you are quarantined, feel free to log in and Zoom with us to stay connected. Pep band, tonight is our next game. Sorry, the heater just turned on. Wondered what that was. Tonight is our next game. We might have another one. I don't know the date. I don't know details. So as soon as I know, I will share that info with you. Marching band. I don't have any details, but if you are interested, make sure that you fill out that form. Logan Bolander and Lennon Adams, I'll be sharing that out with you today, hopefully, knock on wood. Show choir combo. I don't have a start date for us, and I don't have sheet music for us, but as soon as I do, I'll let you know. If you're interested in jazz band, sign up there. Again, every day you don't have band, make sure that you take your instrument home and play it. It doesn't have to be your band music, but it does have to be something that you enjoy playing and something that challenges you. That's all I got for the announcements today. So if you need anything, feel free to reach out. Make sure that you're driving safe on any icy roads and just staying warm because it's going to be chilly this weekend. I can't wait to have pep band with my high schoolers, junior high kids. Make sure you play this weekend. And that's all I got. Thanks, guys. Bye.